started the video. So this week we're going to be doing a slime marathon. So basically I'm going to be posting a slime video every single day from Sunday to next Sunday. So starting today I am posting a video, and it may be this one or maybe another one, but I'm posting a video today, one every single day until next Sunday. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you don't get my notifications, make sure you guys just check into my channel every day and just make sure you watch those videos because they're going to be super fun and super cool. So let's get on to the video. Hey guys, OneInaMamaMinion here, and today we're going to be testing some Elmer's glue stick slime. So I have some glue sticks here, and I thought since a regular Elmer's glue works, then maybe the glue sticks will work. So I have made glue stick slime before, but I don't think it was Elmer's. So we're going to be trying today. So I have a little flat lid here, which will be easier for us. So we're gonna open up our glue stick. Okay, we're just gonna twist it all the way up, or at least that much. We're gonna chop some off. And I think we're gonna get a little more. Ooh. And we're gonna scoop out this piece as much as possible. Alright, so I think we're gonna stick with this much for now and just set the rest aside. And we're gonna start off by kind of chunking it, chopping it down, making it a little bit more liquidy, I guess. So I'm just gonna I'm just chopping it up a little. So since it is glue, it is going to stick to your popsicle stick or your mixing tool because it's glue. So it's already kind of forming more of a liquidier consistency than a solid. So I'm gonna mash this up, and I'll just let you guys know when it should be all mashed up. The chunks have pretty much been all mashed up. So it says that you only need just your glue stick, and I'm using the Elmer's glue stick. So I think what I'm gonna do is just keep stirring it around, get some air into it, and see what happens, if it's a fail or if it actually works. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so I took it out of the container and I've been stirring it for a little while. I just let it dry out for a little, but it still didn't really make slime. I feel like if it was a smaller batch and you just let it dry out and then let it dry out, but nobody got time for that. So I decided that this one is a fail, but we can still make slime out of this. So I'm gonna try adding in some baking soda and contact lens solution, and if that doesn't work, then we'll add in some liquid glue. So I'm gonna grab my baking soda. Alright, so we've added some baking soda and it's like turning white. And now we're gonna grab some contact lens solution. Dump some of that in. It's kind of sliming up, but I don't think it's gonna slime up. Okay, so that didn't work, so it doesn't work with a baking soda and contact lens solution. So we're just gonna grab some regular glue and make a slime out of it. All right. We're just gonna make a slime out of it because we're not gonna waste this glue stick. So it's definitely starting to slime up now when we add in the liquid glue. Okay, so I'm just kneading this now. So it's starting to give it a weird texture. We're gonna dip it in the baking soda. Stir in some of that maybe. So I guess it did make slime, but it was a complete fail. So just the glue stick itself did not make slime, but when we added in some liquid glue, it made slime, but the slime turned out like that, which is pretty disgusting, honestly. It's kind of real. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go with that. The glue stick was a fail. But I did hope you guys learned something. Maybe I'll try different glue sticks in another video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to become an official minion. And don't forget to hit that bell to become a member of the Slime Minion Family Notification Squad. And don't forget to check out my second channel. The link is in the description. And I love you guys all so much. Peace.